Good morning, friends. Welcome to Play with Books. Today we will learn idioms and phrases for class 5. Let's enjoy and take a look. Thank you. The next idiom is slip of the tongue. Its meaning is a mistake in speech or writing. The sentence is I apologize for that slip of the tongue. The next idiom is bare outline. Its meaning is main facts. The sentence is I have given only a bare outline. The next idiom is pitch in. Its meaning is to contribute to something or someone or to join in. The sentence is if we all pitch in together, it should not take too long. The next idiom is cutting corners. Its meaning is doing something poorly in order to save time or money. The sentence is it is better to get something done on time rather than cutting corners. The next idiom is pull someone's leg. Its meaning is to play a practical joke. The sentence is do not worry about what he said. He is just pulling your leg. The next idiom is beat the clock. Its meaning is perform a task quickly or within a fixed time limit. The sentence is you have a set amount of time to beat the clock. The next idiom is icing on the cake. Its meaning is something that turns good into great. The sentence is I love writing English poems and getting teachers' recognition is icing on the cake. The next idiom is beating around the brush. Its meaning is avoid saying something. The sentence is quit beating around the bush and tell me what you really want. The next idiom is red tape. Its meaning is a set of rules which stop progress. The sentence is he promised to reform and cut red tape. The next idiom is beauty of it. Its meaning is good points, merits. The sentence is I was really looking forward to see the beauty of it through his eyes. The next idiom is break the ice. Its meaning is make people feel more comfortable. The sentence is I try to break the ice by talking to the people around me. The next idiom is cut to the chase. Its meaning is go to the point, important part. The sentence is Kamal laid it all out for me and then cut to the chase. The next idiom is old school. Its meaning is traditional values and principles. The sentence is the old school home remedies worked so well for my back pain. The next idiom is black sheep. Its meaning is an undesirable member of a group. The sentence is there are many black sheep in the police, those who are corrupted. The next idiom is necessary evil. Its meaning is something that you need and yet it is not very desirable. The sentence is I think Syam regards homework as a necessary evil. The next idiom is bookworm. Its meaning is a person who likes books very much. The sentence is she is such a bookworm. She seems to have a new book every day. The next idiom is night owl. Its meaning is a person who is habitually active or wakeful at night. The sentence is every time the exams started, I would become a night owl. The next idiom is born with a silver spoon in your mouth. Its meaning is someone who is born into privilege and wealth. The sentence is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. The next idiom is cut to the chase. Its meaning is go to the point, important part. The sentence is Kamal laid it all out for me and then cut to the chase.